నేను అయిపోయింది.
Sri Dwarka Tirumala sir is coming. Once he comes, we will start the valediction. There are some certificate of participation for private security officers and officers in uniform and other students also. So, in the meantime, I would like to wrap up the seminar, the conference, national conference on India's coastal and cyber security challenges. It has taken about 7 months to come to, a logical conclusion. 7 months. To Vizag, so we had come twice, sir. I think we had come thrice to your places, 4 times to your places to get them, to make it happen. Fortunately, we have positive officers, many, not, like the day one he was there, day 2 also he could come, and not only come as a guest of honor, but also to speak about cyber security issues and what he has been doing for the commissioner, as a commissioner of police to the Vizag city. What does a smart city mean? So that's what he has been working as continuously as a commissioner of police to improve upon the public utilities, as he said, the digital connection. So now it's up to you people also to think beyond and then improve upon. Day 1 we started with our inaugural ceremony, and Center of Excellence in Homeland Security Studies we proposed, and our President sir, Dr. M.V.S. Murthy sir, has kind enough to say yes, to give consent. Sir, tomorrow we had after inaugural session we have this coastal security policing challenges and opportunities. The chair was Mr. K.C. Reddy sir. We have Suliprakash Rao sir as a panelist, our IG Coastal Security Andhra Pradesh. We have Jagan Seshadri sir, ex-DG Tamil Nadu, as a panelist. We have other panelists like coming from different parts of the country. Next we have gone to coastal strategic installations, Mr. Mohan Guruswamy sir. And in his panel you have S.K. Rahman sir as a Commissioner Customs from Vijayawada. He had come and given his deliberations. And Dr. Sri Kumar Menon, ex-DG Narcotics. So he was here. So we have covered various aspects of coastal policing. And we also have covered the ports, the section on ports, strategic installations, critical installations that are on the 974 kilometers of coastline of Andhra and beyond. Besides this, we have come to today's deliberations on cyber security challenges. You had a very interesting session. A law enforcement officer, SP from Hyderabad, Ram Mohan Rao sir, had come and given his PowerPoint presentation. Mr. Anil, as a technocrat, he has given his PowerPoint presentation, and as a law enforcement officer and Commissioner of Police, Vizag, just now Mr. Amit Garg has given his views or opinions or recommendations what he has been doing for the city. So we have had and most importantly, Professor Nageswara sir, Professor Rajshekhar sir, role of academia in emerging trends in digital safe India. So they have given their views. So we have amalgamation of bureaucrats, academics, think tankers, media and press. Let's welcome our chief guest of the evening, Sri Dwarka Tirumala sir. Put your hands together for this sir. From the day one, who has been really supporting this national conference on India's coastal and cyber security challenges. We have been working for the last 7 months. Beyond 7 months also we have been discussing before we have approached GSI Director Professor Kumar sir. Dwarka Tirumala sir has been there from the day one that coastal and cyber security are the most important areas, and you guys have to do something about it. Please put your hands together for Dwarka Tirumala sir. Thank you sir, down from heart. Students will be benefiting, men in uniform will be benefiting, and private security association will be benefiting. Has already been benefiting for the last 2 day deliberation, sir. Sir, for your information, we want to tell you, Mr. K.C. Reddy sir, Mr. M.V. Krishna Rao sir has been here for the last 2 days, and tomorrow also they will be here. So they have given their expertise, their important suggestions to the conference, sir. We have ex-DG also from Tamil Nadu, from Karnataka we have one postal security person. So we have people coming from all South Indian states. Kerala ADGP could not come, sir, because of some meeting. So this is what we have done. Now I welcome Shri Dwarka Trimallo, sir, our chief guest for the valediction, onto the dais. Put your hands together for Shri Dwarka Trimallo, sir.